here we see the 3D tokens. I'm going to show you how to put some of these together. So here are the heroes. We're going to punch those out. And each one has got this little slot in the base, and the different color bases match the different color heroes. Insert the hero into the base, and they stand up. The second one I want to show you is how the shadow dragon goes together. So you have to get the wings of the shadow dragon out first, and you can get the body of the shadow dragon. And here's the base. So we'll attach the body to the base. So a little nub on the bottom here goes in the slot right there. It's a little tight, but if you give it a little wiggle, it should go in there okay. Alright, we got the shadow dragon in the base there, and then the wings go on the back of the shadow dragon here. And there we go. The wings are on the shadow dragons. So now we've got the other 3D tokens, the shadow spire. Sorry about black on black here. You see here are the two halves of the spire. They fit together with my dirty fingers from the laser. Just like that. Let's punch out some of these others here. Got a wizard's tower, the priest's temple. Here's the crusader's castle, and the ranger's tree. So the tree goes together very similar to the shadow spire. Push that in there. There's our tree. Here is our temple. Here's the wizard's tower. The castle has 4 pieces. See if we can get this to slot in here. Sometimes it's just a little tight. There we go. And there we have our castle. Last is the shadow keeps. There's 2 halves of each of those, a top and a bottom. They go together just like this. And that is the shadow keep. So for the shadow keep, later in the game you will be placing these red cubes on them. You see how the opening is just big enough for the cube.